क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि एयरपोर्ट कैसे रेवेन्यू जनरेट करता है? Well, if you want to know that, then please stick to the end of this video. And my name is Sahil. So yeah, pretty much, let's get started. So guys, you need to know this. There are two types of customers for the airport. Number one is on-site customers and number two is off-site customers. So yeah, that's it for this video. My name is Sahil, signing off. Guys, I'm just joking. This is not the end of the video. So हमको ये भी understand करना पड़ेगा कि what are the categories inside the off-site customers as well as on the on-site customers. So जब हम बात करते हैं on-site customers की, so on-site customers are in the inner circle of the airport. They do the inner operations in the airport, right? So now let's understand the categories of on-site customers. Number one is airline. आप सबको पता है airlines such as Indigo, SpiceJet, Air Asia, Vistara and Air Cargo Airlines as well as Chartered Airlines. So those are the airlines. So they become the customer of airport, right? So वो एक customer है airport के लिए. Why? Because they are paying fees such as landing fees, parking fees and tons of things that takes place. And airline is all about, they are giving 50% of the revenue to the airport than other things, right? Than other customers. So yeah, let's move on to the second one. So the second on-site customer is commercial services. So commercial services में क्या आता है? First is your duty-free shops. So duty-free shops are all about, where you can buy apparels, books, perfumes, like whatever, right? And second comes is your bars, right, where you have your fun. And the third one is restaurants, where you eat the food. And the fourth one is currency exchange counters, right? So now अभी आपको कुछ questions होंगे like how do airport charge them, right? Charge the commercial services. So in order to operate such commercial services, you will definitely require a land. और वो land commercial service operator के पास तो होगी नहीं. They will of course have to get a lease of that land from airport, right? So it is basic and simple. Airport makes money out of this commercial services through leasing or renting a land to those commercial operations. So the third on-site customer of the airport is हम आम जनता, which is passengers. So अभी आपके मन में सवाल होगा कि why passengers, right? So the general thing is that we use the facilities of the airport, right? Facilities में बहुत सारी things आती है such as drinking water, then we have washrooms, then we have trolley, then we have different things like we are using that conveyor belt, right? So lot of things adds upon. So ये सब आपके टिकट में इंक्लूड होता है. सो इसे हम जनरली कहते हैं एयरपोर्ट कन्वीनियंस फी. द फोर्थ ऑन साइट कस्टमर इज विजिटर्स, राइट? सो फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स से अगर आप अपने दोस्त को छोड़ने जा रहे हो, दोस्त या रिश्तेदार को, यू आर जस्ट सेइंग हिम टाटा बाय बाय, राइट? सो ऑन दैट मोमेंट यू हैव सर्टन एरिया वेर यू कैन एक्सेस फॉर फ्री, राइट? अप टू सर्टन लिमिट यू कैन गो एंड से टाटा बाय बाय. But after that, if you want to get inside with them, right, where they show their ticket, their legal proof, and with that being said, if you want to go inside with them, so उसमें आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? You will have to, of course, airport is definitely going to charge you, which is they will give you the visitors pass so that you can get inside. और वो भी there are certain rules, which is you have certain limit of time and only some up to the certain access point, which is SHA, security hold area, उधर तक ही आप जा सकते हो, and beyond that you cannot go, and if you cross your time then you have to come back again outside. I hope that makes sense. और second type visitors के बारे में बात करें तो they are viewing gallery visitors. So viewing gallery is nothing but where you can see the whole airside operations such as landing, takeoff, taxiing, maneuvering of aircraft. So those kind of operation you can see from the viewing gallery.
Wow!
And you get to be charged to go inside that viewing gallery from the airport. So अब बात करते हैं fifth on-site customer of the airport, right? Which is ground handlers. So आपने कभी कभी notice किया होगा कि when you just go inside the aero bridge, before that you can see pushback vehicles, right? Pushback tractors. Then you can see catering vehicles. Then you can see fueling vehicles. So बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है, right? And you can also see small carts, right, such as trolleys in which our luggages are carried. and like so many things such as chalks and like shuttle services, so many things. Or you also know that in order to perform such operations, you will of course require some land, right? So yeah, airport plays a major role here again. So इसमें क्या होता है कि airport is again giving those particular amount of land to ground handlers in lease or rent, right? Now ground handlers companies are such called as, you have seen, right, like Badra Aviation and so many ground handling companies you can find in the airport. So the sixth on-site customer of airport is land tenants, right? So land tenants plays a really good role here for the airport to make revenue. So अभी हम land tenants में बात करें तो there are two types of land tenants for the airport. Number one, which requires the on-site access, and the second one which do not requires the on-site access, right? So now let's talk about that. On-site access में आते हैं such as airlines which requires of course hangars for the aircraft maintenance. Then we have generally talked about the ground handlers, and the third one comes is general aviation operators such as chartered flights and all those stuff which requires space, right? And let's talk about the land tenants who does not require the on-site access of the airport, right? Which are generally hotels, फिर आता है car rental companies, then cabs. So those kind of things that you can find outside of the airport. Thus they require the land outside of the airport, so they are called as non-on-site access land tenants. So ये जो कुछ भी कहा मैंने, which is all about the on-site customers. So now अब हम बात करेंगे off-site customers के बारे में. Basically what is off-site customer? Off-site customer is very in a simple manner, they do their operation outside of the airport, let's say like this. अगर हम off-site customer के category के बारे में बात करें, so that includes car parking, right? I mean the vehicle parking. Then second, which is metro, and then comes the media and advertisement. So hopefully you have seen the media and advertisement boards. I mean the advertisement boards outside of the airport. So they are also the customer of airport, right? अगर आपको कुछ add करना हो on on-site as well as on off-site customers, please do on the comment so everybody will know and get to know the knowledge, right? I hope you found something valuable. अगर ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो then please like and comment as well as subscribe this channel for more awesome videos. So yeah, तब तक के लिए मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा, लगे रहो अपने सपनों की उड़ान भरने के लिए. I will see you next time. Cheers, bye bye.